Hey, welcome to today's video on how to better use your Homeschool Planet planner. Today I'm going to show you how to use the editing tool, which I actually didn't know about in the early days when I was using the program before I worked here. And it was a game changer when I found out I could change assignments en masse. So anytime you want to make an assignment change, you're going to select the class from the calendar and choose Edit to go into editing mode. If you just want to change a single assignment name, you can absolutely just type right over the text. So I'm just going to change this to video, video, video. Bam. And now that's what it's called. You hit save and it's a done deal. So that's an easy thing to just change one. But what if you've decided you want everywhere that says additional extra practice, let's say, to say practice, practice, practice. That's what we're going to do today. That is going to be super straightforward. First, you're going to make sure you're in your assignment tab, and then you're going to set the date range for assignments you wish to change. I'm going to go ahead and do this all the way through the last day of the year. And then I'm going to take that phrase extra practice because that's what I want to find. And now it will show me any occurrence where the assignment is titled extra practice from 9/15/21 to 6/3/22. Now, this is your magic button right here. When you choose edit, it will bring up the further editing tools. You'll see there's a check mark next to each of these assignments. And so if I deselect it, it means none of them are selected. And if I select it, they all are. Or you can go through and individually pick the ones that you would like to be impacted by your editing changes. I am going to take the phrase extra practice and I'm going to put it here. Because I'm going to tell the software anytime it finds the phrase extra practice to replace it with practice, practice, practice. Okay? Now, just to show again how these check marks work, I'm going to deselect Friday, September 17th. So I'm saying I want all these other items to change to practice, 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 but that Friday the 17th can stay at extra practice. Then I'm going to choose the category, replace in selected items. It's going to tell me it updated 110 entries, and you can see they all now say practice, 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 except September 17th because I didn't have that item checked. I hope that is helpful. It's very helpful when you find that you've used the assignment generator and have a typo somewhere or your child doesn't understand your phrasing. As always, let us know if you have any questions and if we can help you. And have a wonderful day. Thanks for using Homeschool Planet.